Good evening, welcome to Delight Classes. Gradually we have reached the point in narration where we are discussing only the specific rules. So, the same will happen in today's video. We are going to learn, we are going to study some specific rules of narration. So, just concentrate on that. Let's start. Today's topic is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences have the sense of expression, or imperative sentences are related to order, request, command, suggestion or advice. Imperative sentences have the sense of suggestion, advice, order, command or request. While changing these sentences into indirect speech, these sentences into indirect speech, we have to focus on some rules. Rule number 1. Reporting verb changes into order, command, advice, suggestion or request. Reporting verb changes into order. ऑर्डर्ड हो जाएगा अगर पास्ट टेंस में है, रिक्वेस्टेड, सजेस्टेड, एडवाइज्ड और कमांड. रूल नंबर 2. कंजंक्शन दैट is replaced by to. Conjunction that is replaced by to. In negative sentences, it is replaced by not to. Conjunction that in affirmative sentences is replaced by to, and in negative sentences it is replaced by not to. Rule number 3. If there are words like please or kindly in direct speech, if there are words like please or kindly etc. in direct speech, while changing these sentences into indirect speech, these words will be removed. Why will these words be removed? In words को क्यों remove करेंगे? Because we have already discussed just now that reporting verb will change into requested or suggested, like that. So if word requested is there, there is no need of please or kindly. Let's see the examples. Number 1. She said to Ramu, comma, inverted commas, please bring my book. She said to Ramu, comma, inverted comma, please bring my book. In indirect speech, said to will be removed, and instead of said to, which word will be used? Requested. She requested Ramu to bring her book. So please is also removed from that sentence. Why? Please is also removed from this sentence. Why? Because we have already put over here requested. So two polite words are not used in a single sentence. Second example, Riya said to him, comma, inverted comma, take medicines regularly. So take medicines regularly is an advice. Riya advised him. Again said to is removed by advised. Riya advised him to take medicines regularly. Example number 3. I said to Hari, comma, inverted commas, don't pluck the flowers. Don't pluck the flowers. I ordered Hari not to pluck the flowers. Next sentence. He said to Sarla, comma, inverted commas, lend me your book. He said to Sarla, comma, inverted commas, lend me your book. Lend means to give for some time. Lend is to give for some time. So, he requested Sarla to lend him her book. He requested Sarla to lend him her book. Negative sentences. Now, before starting negative sentence, let us revise the rule related to negative sentences. If there are negative sentences which are starting with don't, not, then we will write there not to or forbade. Not to or forbade. The teacher said to Hari, comma, inverted commas, don't write on the table. The teacher said to Hari, comma, inverted commas, don't write on the table. In indirect speech, it will become the teacher forbade. What you have to pay attention in this sentence, what you have to focus over here. If we are using forbade, then we will not use the word not. अगर हमने forbade का use किया है sentence में, तो हम not का use नहीं करेंगे. This is the main very important point. The teacher said to Hari, comma, inverted comma, don't write on the table. The teacher forbade Hari to write on the table. The teacher forbade Hari to write on the table. This is the correct answer. The teacher forbade Hari not to write on the table is incorrect क्योंकि हमको forbade लिखने के बाद में not to का use बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. इसी सेंटेंस को हम एक और तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. The teacher instructed Hari not to write on the table. जब यहाँ पे हम instructed का use करेंगे तो हम साथ में not का use करेंगे. जब हम forbade का use करेंगे तो हम not का use नहीं करेंगे. Next, she said to me, comma, inverted commas, don't park your car here. She said to me, comma, inverted comma, don't park your car here. She forbade me to park the car there. She forbade me to park my car there. Forbade का यूज किया तो not to का यूज नहीं करेंगे. Same sentence एक और तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. She instructed me not to park the car there. She instructed me not to park the car there. Next sentence. The principal said, comma, inverted comma, don't make a noise, students. The principal said, comma, inverted commas, don't make a noise, students. The principal forbade the students to make a noise. The principal forbade the students to make a noise. Again, forbade है, इसलिए not का use नहीं करेंगे. Same sentence can be written in other way. The principal instructed the students not to make a noise. तो आज के जो हमारे sentences हैं वो related हैं imperative. Imperative sentence में क्या ध्यान देना है हमको? Sense होती है किस चीज की? Order, command, request, suggestion or advice. Very important 3 rules for imperative sentences changing into indirect speech. Rule number 1, reporting verb changes into order, command, advise, suggest, request, etc. Conjunction that is replaced by to, or if the sentence is negative, it is replaced by not to. Rule number 3, if there are words like please or kindly in the direct speech of imperative sentences, they are not changed into or they do not have any place in indirect speech because they are removed by requested. So that was all in today's video. See you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye, good night, share and subscribe the channel.